Welcome all to greatest Tamil science program. Happy to see you in this episode where we are going to discuss about the Tamil word called Rasayanam. Rasayan, you would have heard of this word Rasayan. In Tamil, Rasayan is a very potential word. It's split into two, Rasam and Sayanam. Rasam means mercury, Sayanam means sleep. When we sleep, still all our internal organs are functioning, our blood flow, everything is going on. Our heart, lung, brain, everything is functioning. So who's doing this job? It is the power of the mercury in our body. That is why this Rasayan is called Rasam and Sayanam. Sayanam means sleep, Rasam means mercury. At the seventh metabolic process, the bone marrow inside our body produces a substance called Jeevarasam, that is mercury, a human mercury. We have yet to study this in the modern science. The soul which is functioning our human life and the human body uses this mercury produced in the bone marrow and give memory to all the cells. As you know that degeneration and regeneration process of the human cells. As we are born, our production rate of the human cells is higher, death rate is smaller. So we grow till the age of 18 or 21, adulthood. Then from there on till 52, 55, the production rate of the human cells and the death rate of the human cells are the same. So we have a stabilized life with respect to our physical conditions. After the age of 52, 55, depending on the personality, the production rate will be slowly dipping down on the lower side. The death rate will be slowly going on the higher side. As the age go by 65, 70, 75, this widens up. That's how you reach the old age. This is the concept which you all know. Every cell inside the body, heart is made out of heart cell, liver is made out of liver cells, skin is made out of skin cells, brain is made out of different types of neuron cells. There is an innumerable number of different cells. All these cells are getting produced all the time in the world. But these cells has to be given memory. Then only they will know where to go, which network to join and what work to do. So you know that. From where they get this memory when they are produced? The soul in us, which is functioning our human body, live, which takes this Jeevarasam, the mercury produced in the bone marrow, and vaporize it into Vayu and give specific memory to specific cells. This is how the whole system is functioning. That is why this memory part of the human cell, which is called the Jeevarasa Adharam, which is the functional part of our human system even when we are sleeping. That's why it's called Rasayanam. So mercury is the highest component of every human cell which is in the form of Vayu. Holding the memory of the cells has the connection between the human cell and the outside cosmos. Now, mercury is divided into 9 categories. There is a word in Tamil again called Navarasam. Navarasam is 9. What are these 9? Padarasam, mercury taken from Lingam, Cinnabar. Lavanarasam, mercuries can be extracted from salts available in the earth. Ubarasam, mercury can be extracted from minerals. Sittarasam, that is mercury can be extracted from ferrous. Gandharasam, mercury can be extracted from magnetic materials. Ulogarasam, mercury can be extracted from all metals. There is some percentages there. Then Paranarasam, from all toxins mercury can be, like red arsenic, arsenic trisulfide, and goes on. Then Bhudarasam, that is 5 major elements. Even in the air mercury is there. Even in the sea, the water, mercury is there. Then Jeevarasam, what is produced at the bone marrow. So there are 9 of them. The Tamil heritage, ancient science, medical science, till today are the only branch of science, medical science, which has understood the vital chemistry of the human body and all the living species on earth, other than the human body, chemistry, have understood the importance of mercury. So they are the only people in the world till now, the only branch of science, the Tamil science, has used mercury as the major component in medicine making. Because there are so many chemical imbalances inside which is leading to many types of diseases, leading to some deficiency or the other in the bone marrow, which in many sciences we don't address it because we are not able to diagnose and understand what exactly it is. So the Tamil origin is the only people till today, Siddha medicine is the only branch of medicine till today, uses mercury as the major component in medicine making. Without mercury, you cannot make meaningful, valuable medicines to clear the imbalances of the human chemistry. Thank you very much for your attention. We will see you in the next program.